Kurturi Gymkhana scored a hard-fought 2-1 victory over Raya Sporting Club to move into the semi-finals of 4th Betal Batim Villagers Cup organised by Betla Batim Sporting Club and played at Betal Batim Panchayat ground on Thursday. Raya Sporting Club opened the scoreline through a penalty kick when their forward was brought down by Prakash Joshi, goalkeeper of Kurturi, in the 12th minutes of play. The penalty kick was converted by Garrison Fernandes, and the equalizer chance for Kurturi Gymkhana was wasted by Ryan Fernandes when his shoot hit the crossbar and went out of play, and Raya remained on 1-0 lead at half-time. Changing over, Kurturi Gymkhana mounted pressure on many occasions and found the equalizer goal through Joivin Carneiro in the 44th minutes of play, and Raya had the golden opportunity to take the lead in the 52nd minutes, but Garrison shot out of target. Then Ryan Fernandes of Kurturi Gymkhana scored due to Raya goalkeeper misjudgment in the 57th minute of play, and that goal turned to be match-winning goal to secure place in the semi-final. Joivin Carneiro of Kurturi Gymkhana was awarded Man of the Match by Andrew Ferrao, GFA executive member.
आयची गेम बरी जाल्या, वेल बॅलन्स्ड. जरी तर आम्ही पयले हाफाक एक गोलाक डावन आसले, आमकां पेनल्टी जाली आनी पेनल्टी तेणीन स्कोर केलो. सो आमची आज बरी टीम आसली, स्ट्रॉंग टीम आसली, आनी म्हाका फूल कॉन्फिडन्स आसलें की आयची गेम आमी जरूर जिखतले म्हणून, आनी तें जालें. फायनली आमी 2-1 जिखले.
सर, तुझे मॅसेज कितें भुरग्यांक जे फुटबॉलांत येतात तांकां?
मॅसेज म्हणजे भुरग्यांक, अदीक करून आमच्या प्लेयरांक टायमार मातशें गेमींग पावपाक जाय. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, टायमार गेमींग पावपाक जाय. 5 गेमी स्टार्ट जाता, रेफ्री 5 येता, सो 5 पयलीं टीम ग्रावंडार आसपाक जाय. आनी प्लेयरांनी आपले प्रॅक्टीस करून एक बरे प्लेयर जावंक जाय. आनी आमच्या गोवाक तशेंच इंडियेक खेळोंक जाय.
सर, सांग.
हे भाशेन केलें जाल्यार आमकां गोंयकारांकूय नांव येतलें आनी गोंयचें नांव वयर सरतलें.
सर, तुमचे फ्युचर्स प्लॅन्स कितें आसा कुर्तरी जिमखानाचे?
आतां फ्युचर प्लॅन दाता दिसांनी आमचो टुर्नामेंट जाता ऑल गोवा इंटर विलेज. तेजे उपरांत आमी आनी जायती एक्टिविटी करतले आनी ताजे फाटल्यान घडये आनी एक टुर्नामेंट करूंक आमी ट्राय करतले.
ओके सर, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Like, subscribe and get notified.